Hi and welcome back. Today we are diving into one of the most important topics in HubSpot, reporting. I'll show you how to create custom reports, build dashboards, and what you need to pay attention to so your data truly supports decision making. Let's jump right in.
The HubSpot Experts by WPWA Digital.
Hi, my name is Svenja, Head of MarTech and Systems at WPWA Digital. As an official Platinum partner, we help you with everything related to HubSpot. Why reporting is so important? HubSpot collects an incredible amount of data, but it's useless if you don't visualize it. With strong reporting, you can immediately see which campaigns are working, how well marketing and sales are performing, where leads get lost in the funnel, and which channels actually generate revenue. The 3 types of reports in HubSpot. In HubSpot, there are essentially 3 ways to access reports. First, standard reports and analytics. Ready-to-use reports for common KPIs like deals, contacts, channels, or email performance. Second, report library. A large collection of pre-configured reports. Third, custom reports. This is where it gets exciting. You can build fully custom reporting based on contacts, companies, deals, tickets, activities, marketing events, and even multiple objects at once. Creating reports. We are going to build a report step by step. Go to Reporting, Reports, Create Report. Choose single object for simple evaluations, for example, deals by pipeline. Select your fields, group by date, stage, or owner. Pick your visualization. Table, bar chart, donut, funnel, time series, etc. Save and add to dashboard, and then you're done. To create a custom report, select the report builder instead. Define which objects you want to pull data from. You can use multiple objects, such as contacts and deals. Then place your fields on the axis. Group by fields or use them as filters. Building dashboards. A strong dashboard shouldn't be overloaded. You need a clear focus, the most important KPIs at the top, detailed information below, clear filters for teams, pipelines, or time ranges. Create separate dashboards for marketing, sales, service, management, or combine them into a single funnel dashboard covering the entire customer journey. Best practices. A few tips from experience. Always work with consistent time ranges, for example, last 30 days. Build a definitions dashboard or add a text module with definitions so everyone on the team knows exactly what each KPI means. Use properties cleanly to ensure your reports are accurate. Less is more. 5 strong reports beat 25 mediocre ones. You can automatically email your dashboard on a schedule, for example, every Monday at 8 a.m. and attach it as a PDF, Excel or PowerPoint. And that's it for reporting in HubSpot. Leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next HubSpot tutorial.